Here we are, take two, back at it again. Oh, we're on. Yeehaw! All right. Beauty! Woohoo! Alright. Oh, clicker. Can't forget the clicker. Nothing more annoying than hearing someone whine with the clicker still on. Everyone's been fishing with one of those guys. Okay. We've got to be careful doing that. Got to keep the tension up on them. Not really sure what I've got here. It feels like it's swimming towards me. This, I mean, the Spanish mackerel quite often do that. Oh, something up top there. Actually, cobias hang around up on the top when you pull them in too sometimes. I did see a fin, I couldn't, ooh. Oh, I might be onto a Spanish, eh? Well, let's not get our hopes up too high just yet. But let's get this gaff ready just in case. Not. Oh, here I am letting the bloody tension off. All right. Remember, the handle falls off my gaff. All right, back that drag off a little bit. All right. Oh, I can see colour. What do we got? Oh, is that cobia? It looks like it. Or is that? Oh, it better not be a shark. Oh, mate. Oh, that's not very good. All right. Oh well. Let's get him off and keep going. All right. Seems a little bit unusually quiet on the trawl. I mean, usually I get at least pestered with a GT. So I might pull this in and just double check, make sure I don't have a bit of weed, a bit of weed on the lure or anything like that, which sometimes happens. It's clean. All right. Oh, keep going. Thank the fishing goodness. We're finally hooked up, and let's hope it's something good this time. Come on. We don't need too much, just a nice little tuna or a little mackie. I'll even take a GT today. I'll even take a GT. Oh, I hope I still got it. Oh yeah, it's on there, it's on. Doesn't feel very big, but that's okay. What do we got? What do we got? I can see colour. Oh, don't, is that a mackie? Nah, don't get my hopes up, come on. Don't get your hopes up too much. Oh, I'll tell you what, we've got to steer away from those rocks. What do we got here? Oh, it is too. It's a f***ing massive one. Holy shit. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, stay away from that. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, he's a good, oh, is it? It is too, mate, that's awesome. Please do not drop this at the boat. Please do not drop it at the boat. Come on. Okay, all right. Oh, shit. Hey, look out. Oh, mate. Thank you. Oh, wow, that is just, that has just made the trip. How good's that? Oh, wow. Oh, mate, that's awesome. All right, we're good. You know what, the biggest thing you got to watch out for with these Spanish is their teeth. So I like to do something like this to sort of try and help keep them away and help stop them flicking towards you, pushing it away. So yeah, definitely don't want to end up with his teeth anywhere near you, that's for sure. Yeah, let's just go for another pass, see if we can get another one. I just got the clicker on, it just gives it, I know the clicker's annoying, but it just gives it that little bit of resistance to free spool without it over spooling. So, oh, that's probably heaps. There we go. Might have been a bit too much actually. Don't matter. Yeah, got to keep that hydration up. There you go. See? Won't catch anything like that. Well. Alright, so we've crossed one bucket item off the list, and that was catching a fish. I still want to catch some bait on the bait jig. Seems a little pointless now, but it's on the list because I didn't get any last time, and it's definitely a weak point in my game that I need to work on. Something's grabbed the bait jig again. Oh, or I've actually got some bait. Hang on. Oh, might actually have a bit of bait for once. Probably a stinking cod or something. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty coddly. Okay, yeah. Little stripy emperor. And he's too small to use for anything. Well, there we go. Finally got something. Not really what we're after. Alright, you can get back, matey. There you go. And he's away. Alright, let's try that again. I'll tell you what, I might be better off looking for bait up on the corner there where I got that Mackie, because he's probably up there chasing bait himself. Let's give that a go. Oh, you're never going to believe what just happened. See this little reel here? She's obviously a little bit overdue for a service. The anti-reverse thing's not working. And it looks like the big sinkers, it was sitting there like that. Big sinkers dropped out, just stripped all the line off it. So no line, no bait jig. Yeah, anyway, well, I've got a feeling that's going to be one thing that I won't be ticking off the bucket list today, but not to worry, we got a nice Spanish mackerel, so from here it's all cruisy sail, and really it doesn't really matter too much. And there's bait just jumping all over the surface there just to rub it in and tease me a little bit. Look, bait everywhere. It's alright, don't need ya. I've got my Spanish. Alright, what's next? What are we doing? But yeah, so we might head up the tip up there, go for a bit of a troll, see if we can get the drone up, maybe make a ceviche. It's a little bit early for lunch yet. Yeah, and then we'll have to find a nice little beach to pull up in. We'll cook up lunch a little bit later. Actually, before we go, it just looks like a bit of good ground there. We might just throw the jig down. A little cold trout would be nice, legal one. I was thinking about whether I should try and get back into a little beach there on Goat Island to do a cook up, but I don't know. Tide is going out now, and there is the issue with the rocks. Not that it's impossible, but either do that, or maybe I can find another one of the beaches while I'm up there. I don't know, let's just play it by ear, eh? We'll just see how we go, see where we're at come about lunchtime. Alright, let's just pull in here and make up a ceviche. About morning tea time. Alright, ceviche time. We'll just knock a little shoulder off this guy. A little bit of ceviche for now, and enough for a little bit of fish and chips later. Just me out here today, so probably not going to need too much. I reckon that'll probably do me for the day. Yeah, more than enough. Heaps. I think that's all we're going to need, so we'll put him back in on ice. Wow, another beautiful day. Beautiful day in paradise. Okay, knock it off. I think what we might do is we'll have this little bit for ceviche for morning tea now, and then we'll keep this for lunch. I think that'll be a perfect size fish chips. Yeah, it'll be pretty simple one this morning, I think. I'm just going to go some lemons, a bit of orange, a little bit of chili, not that much. I've got an absolute abundance of fresh chilies growing in the backyard at the moment, more than I know what to do with, so it's chili everything, and we still can't eat them all. Right, so our fish. Let's get some lemon in there. Yeah, not the juiciest lemon, this one. That's right, I've got a few there. Plenty of seeds though. Oh wow. Stop and take a moment to enjoy the surrounds. Some amazing scenic countryside around here. Such a beautiful area. Good fishing too. Lemon on that one. Definitely not the juiciest lemon, that one. Yeah, that one's a little bit better. Yeah, that seems better. Alright. And a little bit of orange. Apparently that's the secret ingredient. Definitely nothing on Fran, but or a ceviches. Oh yeah, Jack too. Can't forget about Jack. All right, yeah, I think we'll go. I don't mind a bit of chili. So these chilies aren't very hot either. They're a larger, not so hot chili. So yeah, I think that's enough orange. It's too lazy to get out my chopping board. Alright, there we go. We'll pick out the lemon seeds as we go, but oh yeah, so we'll give that half an hour, maybe 20 minutes. Alright, no swimming today. Well, not really. Alright, let's give this a go. Got the drain up. I'm going to try and get him to follow us for a trial. With any luck, we might even hook up, but you know how it is, you know, the watch kettle never boils. Alright, GPS tracking mode. Yeah, with any luck, it should, if we have any issues, it should just fly straight back to where it took off. So, here's to hoping, fingers crossed. It's getting a bit shallow in here too. We'll have to be careful. Looks like the drone's just sitting there, not really following me. Oh, what's going on there? Hopefully, oh yeah, it's returned to home. That's it over there. Alright. Okay, I think I know what might be going on. It relies on the GPS signal through your phone. I'm using an iPad because my phone, for some reason, just a work phone, just doesn't want to work with the app. And I don't know, I mean, this iPad's got GPS, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe I've got to get a new phone. That's a bit frustrating. Got a little bit of footage. Anyway, not what I was hoping for. Anyway, alright. Oh well, let's keep going. Alright, well, before we move on, we'll give this ceviche area a go. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Actually, it's 10 past 11. It's nearly gonna be lunchtime. Woo. Wow. Yeah, whole chili. It's got a nice little tang to it. It's not too over the top. Actually, I probably needed to have sat it in on an angle like that, so the juice, because I don't think the juices have been covering it all. Yeah, I think it's cooked properly. We might stick it in the esky on a bit of an angle, give it a little bit longer. And I guess we really need to go and find somewhere to get our fish and chips happening. As I think, yeah, at this time of day, it's, what have we got? Yeah, 10 past 11. I mean, we'll probably find a nice little beach, do a quick cook up, and it'll probably be starting to blow up by then as it is, so better get a move on, eh? Let's go. That's the little beach I've got in mind. Thinking of pulling up in there for lunch. I haven't actually been there before. Gonna have to go in a bit slowly and just navigate my way through, I think. And the tide's running out too, so definitely don't want to get beached. Wow, look at that, that's extremely shallow. Some really nice coral. This would be a good spot to have a little bit of a snorkel, and I reckon you might pick up a few crays in here. Look at that, yeah, there's some good ledges down there. That's awesome. You know what, it just looks to all be shallow fringing coral reefs here, and I just don't know the area well enough to want to go in, especially with the tide dropping. So we might go and find another beach. I will definitely return, but it will be on a flooding tide, and might even seek a little bit of local knowledge on this one, on the best way to get in here, because there's heaps of beautiful fringing coral everywhere here. Actually, I wonder if we can get at it a bit easier up here. No, just coral everywhere. Mate, this would be an awesome spot to camp. I mean, look, you just got that whole fringing reef there. You could just go diving all day if you had a, you know, someone to dive with, just for the safety side of things. But look at that. Wow, there'd have to be some good fishing crazing amongst all that. Well, I'm seriously thinking about cheating. There's a jetty just up around the corner. You can pull up tables, chairs, undercover. It's definitely not much of an adventurer's adventure, but it's going to make it easy. We're starting to run out of time. I don't know if the weather will blow up. We've got 11:30. Let's just find a beach. Let's do it. Nah, it's like 1.7 meters right here. Nah, and the tide's going out. Yeah, nothing like the comfort of a fiberglass boat, but it's definitely a little bit more of a concern when it comes to rocks and bommies and coral. I mean, a tinny, you still got to be careful, but oh, there's some decent sized mullet. Yeah, I'm copping out on yous, going soft. We pulled up the jetty, but it's going to be a bit of a compromise. Pull up at the jetty, but we'll still go to the beach for a cook up. Oh, Spanish mackerel fish and chips. Yeah, just a very basic one today. I'd anticipated that the weather would not hold out as well as it has, and after last week I didn't want to leave it too late, so I was just going to make a quick easy one, but that's alright. We're okay. Amateur chef mistake. Should have had the oil heating up that whole time. There we go. Oh, shallow fry. These, I think. Left to do. Yeah, wow. So we've got this ceviche here now too, so that should be all good to go. Yeah, it looks nicely cooked now. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty chilly still. That's nice. The orange does give it a bit of a different tang to it as well, but yeah, it's not too bad. How's that looking? Yeah, there we go. It's looking pretty good. That's probably nearly going to be enough, actually. By the time I put the fish with it. Yeah, I like my chips nice and crispy, little thin crispy fries, so I'm going to let them go for a fair bit longer yet. Let's just do some little fish bites and some slabs, just like that. Yeah. Got a nice little steaks in. Oh yeah, beautiful. That's sizzling. Oh, beautiful. I reckon those chips are probably just about done. Oh, that's hot. Put them out. Don't have any paper towel, unfortunately, but let them drain off onto the plate for now. And they're holding together pretty nicely. I was hoping they weren't going to fall apart. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Alright. Lovely. Turn it off. Alright, a little bit of salt. Also for the fish. Tiny little bit of pepper. And there we have it. Bachelor style fish and chips. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Bit of crunch on the chips too. Nice. Oh, yum. That was beautiful. I might wash a bit of that down with a bit of lemon. That's still pretty good though. Oh, that jelly's starting to get right in amongst it now. Okay, leave only footprints. Well, I may have cheated getting to the beach pretty easily, but I made the effort to walk up the beach a little bit at least, so I don't feel like so much of a cop out. Really could have stayed out longer. Look at this. Oh well, much better than last episode's trip back. That's for sure. I'm being a bit cheeky again, trying to get in. It's a pretty low tide. I mean, the tide is going to be pushing in like last time, but there's every good chance I might end up on a sandbar again. So, yeah, I'm definitely pushing it. Well, we'll find out soon enough. Yeah, I think that's the boat stuck up there. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should just go and hang out on the spit for a while or something. Looks like he's struggling. I don't think I'll fare much better than he does.